Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automate blog posts with Zapier on Shopify. This is an incredibly useful workflow if you're creating content on YouTube and want to automatically publish blog posts on your Shopify store whenever you upload a new video. This saves you time and keeps your store's blog consistently updated without any manual effort. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has access to both your YouTube channel and your Shopify store, as we'll be connecting both platforms in this workflow. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. From here, click the Zap button to start creating your automation. This will open up a new workflow where you can connect different apps and set triggers and actions. Now click the Trigger button. This is the starting point of your automation, the event that will kick everything off. In the search bar that appears, type in YouTube and select it from the list. YouTube will be the platform that triggers the action whenever something new happens. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger event. From the drop-down menu, select New Video in Channel. This means that every time you upload a new video to your YouTube channel, Zapier will automatically detect it and begin the workflow. You'll now be prompted to connect or sign in to your YouTube account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Zapier to access your channel. This step is necessary so Zapier can monitor your uploads and pull the relevant content like video titles and descriptions. Once your account is connected, click Test Trigger to confirm that Zapier can successfully pull the content from your YouTube channel. This test will show you a sample of the most recent video data so you can verify everything is working correctly before moving forward. Now it's time to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger. Click the Action button, then search for and select Shopify from the list of available apps. Shopify is where your blog post will be automatically created. From the Action Event drop-down menu, choose Create Blog Entry. This tells Zapier that you want it to publish a new blog post on your Shopify store every time a new YouTube video is detected. Next, you'll need to connect or sign in to your Shopify account. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier, then click Continue to proceed to the next step. You're now in the Action Setup section where you'll map the required fields. This is where you tell Zapier which information from YouTube should go into which part of your Shopify blog post. Start with the title field. Map this to the blog post title source from your YouTube trigger, which is typically the video title. This ensures your blog post title matches your video title. Next, select the Shopify blog you want to post to from the blog dropdown. If you have multiple blogs on your store, make sure you're choosing the correct one. For the content field, map this to the blog content source from your YouTube trigger. This is usually the video description, which will now appear as the main body of your blog post. If you want to include additional content, you can combine fields or add custom text here as well. If you have additional details like excerpt, tags, author, or publish date available from your YouTube trigger, you can map those fields as needed. These are optional but can help you further customize how your blog posts appear on Shopify. Finally, click Test and Review or Test and Continue to verify that the data posts correctly to your Shopify store. Zapier will create a test blog post so you can see exactly how it will look. If everything looks good, you're all set. You've now successfully automated your blog posting process between YouTube and Shopify using Zapier. Every time you upload a new video, a corresponding blog post will be created automatically on your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.